Good day everyone, my name is Sheryn Fathia. In this video, I would like to explain about discourse grammar. Discourse grammar argued a contextual analysis that looks at grammatical form in relation to where, why, and how frequently it is being used in spoken and written discourse. A discourse-based grammar makes a strong connection between form, function, and context, and aims to place appropriateness to the center of a text. And next is the texture of a text. A text is literally has a texture, and this is what distinguishes it from something that is not a text. First, there is unity of texture. Unity of texture refers to the way in which resources such as pattern of cohesion create both cohesive and coherent text. For example, where the meaning of items that refers outside of the text, such as it and that, and it can be derived from social context in which the text is located. For example, in a sentence, my cat is so fat. It is lies on the floor almost all day long. The word it in the sentence refers to my cat in the beginning of the text. And next is cohesion and discourse. Cohesion refers to the words between cohesion refers to the relationship between items in a text, such as word, phrase, and clauses, and other items such as pronouns, nouns, and conjunction, and includes the relationship between words and pronouns that refers to the words. And there are several types of cohesion. First is anaphoric reference. Anaphoric reference refers to anaphoric reference is where the word or phrase refers back to another word or phrase used earlier in a text. And then next is cataphoric reference. Cataphoric reference describes an item which is used later in the text, and it refers forward to another word and phrase that which is used later in a text. And next is exophoric reference. Exophoric reference looks outside the text to the situation in which the text occurs first for the identity of the item being referred to in the text. And next is homophoric reference. Homophoric reference is where the identity of the items can be retrieved and by reference to cultural knowledge rather than the specific context of the text. And the last is comparative and bridging reference. Comparative reference with comparative reference, the identity of the presumed item is retrieved not because it has already been mentioned or will be mentioned in a text, but because an item with which it is being compared has been mentioned. And I think that's all about discourse grammar for me, and thank you for listening to my explanation.